Good evening, everyone. So this is Ganesan, and I have Ashok Mitran and Sasi Kumar, who are my co-founders in Liberwin. And so I'm happy to be here, connecting with all of you in TCE. We're going to run through you the company background and the purpose of this meeting and our platform, which is a GigWork platform, and how that is going to benefit you is what we're going to discuss today. We are your senior batch. We were in the same college where you're studying right now. All three founders of Liberwen, we were batchmates in 1995, batch of 95 in TCE, and yes, you can see the details. I hope everybody is connected through laptop or mobile, and you can see the slide deck that I'm sharing. Yeah, and so we are a tech startup. We are based in Bangalore. We started incorporated in 2019. We are primarily a future of work platform, and we have a platform that is designed and being used for enterprises to primarily to create a gig work marketplace within the company, right? So to enable remote working and talent mobility and skill assessments within a large company, right? And this will allow people like you who are joining the organizations to take up opportunities other than your project, right? Based on your interest within a company, you are able to take opportunities and contribute across the organization, and even earning rewards within the organization other than your regular salary, right? So this allows you to develop skills, um, further, any new skills that you want to develop, and also pursue your interests within the organization and make yourself visible within the organization, showcasing your skill score and picking up opportunities within the company, right? So that is one part of the platform that we offer. And we have a gigwork marketplace which is publicly available, which is the website is gigwork.liberwin.com. This is a publicly available marketplace, which is a freelance platform. Primarily, our vision was to connect students and startups. When it comes to India, all our students, struggling to find internship opportunities. Though this is better now, than our times. Our times it was very difficult to, discover opportunities with the industry. And this is better now. I think you guys are able to find internship opportunities on your own or with the help of your college. But then what we believe is still a lot of students are struggling to find these opportunities while they are in the college, and now it is mandated by AACTE, and there are many internships that students need to complete within their degree term. So our vision was to connect students and also very fastly, sort of developing future of work, startups within the Indian ecosystem, right? So there are numerous startups, thousands of startups, and India government has a plan to, fund and initiate a 10,000 startup, right? And so there are a lot of startups. They are struggling to, find skilled talent, for them to leverage, and they are also looking at students because students are now learning on their own. A lot of new skills you guys are learning, and now so connecting students and startups was our vision, and that's why we have created this platform. But we are taking this one step further to connect students also to paid work opportunities. So our vision was to imagine that somebody is while studying, they are also able to take opportunities, work opportunities, which are small in duration. For example, you could take a gig work for 2 weeks duration or for a month as a part-time work while we are studying and earn is a great opportunity, right? So that's our vision, and we have created this platform, and this is now publicly available. And we are going to sort of walk you through this platform so that you can make use of it. And being alumni to TCE, and we wanted to run you guys through this platform so that you are familiar and you are able to use it whenever you are looking for internship opportunities as well as paid gig work opportunities. I have only a couple of things to do during this session. One, I want to make you too familiar with the application. The application is right now available on Play Store and App Store. You can go and search for Liberwin and download this app. In fact, I would suggest, if you are able to do this now, please go ahead and do it, so that if you face any problems, we can help you with. And you'll also, you can also write to us later on. But if you can do this during this session, that would be great. Yeah. So it is very simple. It's a mobile app. The mobile app is primarily being the gateway to enter into the platform. So you can download the mobile app. Simply using your mobile number, you will be able to sign up and sign in. And the third step is to create your personal profile. The personal profile will ask for your name and date of birth, nationality, and your national identity number, such as Aadhaar card and Aadhaar number. So this is important for us because this is a platform where you are getting the work from organizations, and also you are going to earn by doing work, right? So this is important for us to only allow professionals or students who are who can be easily identified, right? So it's important you enter your correct name, which is in your national identity, because nowadays Aadhaar card is sort of, every Indian citizen is being issued Aadhaar card, and your name should match to what is in the Aadhaar card, and your date of birth as well. Yeah. You don't have to really upload the Aadhaar card now, but the number is what is required. Number should be correct because you cannot change it later. So this is sort of allowing authentic entry into the app. We don't want any fake users to coming in. Hence this sort of procedure we are following, right? So once you create the personal profile, you can create a skill profile, and I'll show you the app itself. But then a skill profile is what you need to do. This is a very important step for you to get opportunities on internship or paid work. Right. So when you say skill profile, it does not mean that you create whatever skill you might have come across. You need to really highlight the skills that you can provide evidence, because the next step is to really validate your skills. And there are variety of options available within the app. And right now we have enabled certificate validation. If you have a certificate, online certificate, you can provide that link or the document itself, and that will be validated by the app itself. We are using AI to validate it, right? So it's important for you to create the skill that you can provide validation, some proof. Yeah. So if you create this skill, and based on this skill only, you will get internships and also opportunities. So this is important to know. Yeah. So the next step is to create an account. And there are multiple different accounts that you can create within the app, but being students, what is relevant for you is the Gig Seeker account. We call it GSA, and that is the only account you have to create. Once you have done all these 6 steps, you are good to go. Now, what happens is, whenever an organization publishes a internship opportunity or a paid work opportunity, seeking for a specific skill set, and that gets matched to you, right? So for example, somebody publishes a internship work, and they need somebody to do programming on Python, right? If you have declared Python in your skill profile, then you will be matched for that opportunity, right? And that will send notifications to you, and also it will appear on your homepage, right? And you can apply for that opportunity. And once multiple students are applying for that opportunity, and the organization can select based on whatever criteria they have to select you, and they primarily go with the skill profile and the skill score you would have within the platform. And once you complete the work, you will either get feedback and payment, or just feedback if there is no payment is relevant. Yeah, so based on your work completion, your skill scores and your work worthiness index within the application is updated. So what happens when you earn this scores? Let's say you have completed a couple of internships or paid work within the app, your skill scores are keep on building. And why this is important is this skill scores will become the basis for you to get paid work opportunities forever, even you come out of college, right? So while you are in college, it allows you to get a lot of internship opportunities. But even after the college, the scores are remained. The more work you do, the more internships or the more number of work that you do within the platform, the more and more your skill score will increase. So this will become the basis, and you can download your skill score as a certificate and share it with your employers in the future. And employers also will be sort of looking at LiberWin score as a basis to select you, right? So that will make your employability much more easier, right? So that's what, in simple terms, what you can do with the app. And I'm going to show you a quick demo. This is a simulator I'm trying to show you. Yeah. This requires your mobile number as a way to enter. So let's say I have already created mine, but I'm going to just to demonstration purpose, I'm going to use my number and I'm waiting for the OTP to come. Yeah, so it has come. And I was in the home page. Yeah. And I was trying to show you the profile that I have created. So this is my profile. Yeah, this is what initially was collected from me: my date of birth, my nationality, my Aadhaar number, and my email ID, all that stuff. Yeah. So this is how your profile information is collected. But let me just show you here. So now coming back to the home page, what do you see on the top? The personal is the personal wallet. So you have, everybody has a personal wallet. So whatever money you are earning, I mean, this here what we are doing is this is a Liber points. It's a point-based system. You can say it's a virtual currency, right? And you earn this in your personal wallet. When let's say you are doing a paid work or a paid internship work, and whatever you are earning is what you will see it here. Yeah. And this is your My Skills profile, right? You can create your skill profile here. Something like this. It appears something like this. If you want to add any skills, you can go and add. You can search for the skill. Say, for example, if I search for this AWS and I have all these skills, so I can add any of it. Say, for example, I want to add this and close, then I can add to my profile. Yeah, if I add to my profile, it gets added, but I already have 4 skills. Yeah, and AWS services also added. As you can see, whenever you add a skill, and this is important, don't add some insignificant skill. You have to add the most important skill that you have, right? Software skills or any other skills, but right, since you guys are in college and probably you are looking for opportunities in the software area, you can look for these skills. But there could be other skills, maybe AutoCAD or something. You can still search for them. Some of the keywords might not be there right now, and if you don't find this, please write to us, because we have tried to add a lot of keywords. Some might miss, right? And then just write to us and let us know. right? So when you add these skills, this is very important. This is what you are going to build, right? Over a period of time, you would have more skills here. So when I add, there are orange colored ones and green ones. The green ones means they are already validated. These skills are already validated for me, right? Say, for example, let me open this Python. What I have done, I have skill score already 30. What does this mean? I have done 38 hours of work. That means, 6 number of works that I have done. And I have added some certifications maybe here, or I haven't, or I can do online assessments and I get scores here, and I can take up interview and the scores come here. Right now we have not enabled these online assessments and interviews, but very soon this will be live in our next release, the end of November. But right now this certification is available. If you want to add a certificate, you can add a verifiable certificate link. I mean, if you have done a course from Udemy or Coursera, you would have an online verifiable link, and that's what you can enter. But if you don't have this link or you have a document, that also you can do. You can upload the document. Yeah. So when you do this, you will get scores here. For certificate, you will get score here. But you don't get a lot of score here. But if, for example, if you add a certificate, you might get skill score as 2, and that would enable you to get internship work further. Yeah, so that's how this is built right now. This is validated for me. What it means validated? Only validated skills will be matched for paid work. If I have these 3 skills, they won't be matched for paid work. Sorry. Yeah. So every skill you need to make sure you are providing evidence and try to validate them. Yeah. But right now, what you can do is you can add skills and try and, for example, AWS services I added. So now I can go and upload certificates if I have. Right, then I'll get score 2, and that will make you eligible for any internships. Okay, in order to take internships, you have to say here you are ready to take this internship. For this skill, you are able to take internship, and you can indicate your internship interest. Yeah. So like this, you can build the skills profile, and for now, that's all you have to do. You build the skill profile and try to add any online certification that is available with you, and move on. Now, what happens when you are starting to receive? You will see those items appear here, right? So if there is a work is published and it appears here for you, and you will be able to apply for it. So something like this appears. Yeah, this is another account. So let me just quickly show you how the wallet looks. The wallet looks like this, and all the transactions you can see. This is almost similar to sort of Paytm, right? So it works like Paytm. So you have a Paytm within sort of the application, and when you are seeing this new work, this is how it looks. Let me just show you one work here. So it looks like this. So okay, let me just open all of this. Yeah. So when somebody publishes a internship opportunity or a work opportunity, you see like this. Yeah, so it says the reward is given 30 Liber points, and the skills required are React Native, and this is a paid work, so it shows some experience is required, and the work type is outcome based remote work, and the work description says what needs to be done. So this is how you see, and also you can see, right now this is a published work, but similarly you will see the work is appearing to you, and you can apply for it. Yeah, this is just to show you how this appears. But anyway, you can explore that in the app itself. Yeah. So there are different accounts you can create. So let me just quickly show you. There is an enterprise account, there is a gig provider account, and there is a gig seeker account. I have all the 3 just for the demo purposes. But when you create, you will see this list. You just have to create the gig seeker account. These are not relevant for you. you can create the GigSeeker account, and you can read the instructions here. So if you have any questions right now, I would like to somebody to unmute and ask, and I can answer. If anybody have tried to download and install already, please let me know. And if you have any issues you faced, or you were able to sign up or create your profile, please come forward and let us know.
Good afternoon, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are.
Yes, sir. This is Sriram IT from second year Taraja College of Engineering. I am able to download the app and I have created my profile, sir. So it's working.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you. So what is important is, after creating your profile, please create your skill profile, right? And right now this app was launched in September, and we are about to publish some of the internship opportunities from Liberwin itself, right? And not only us, and some of our partner organizations are about to publish some internship opportunities. We are working with them right now. And mid-November onwards, these opportunities will come in. But if you have to see yourself, you have to create your skill profile and validate them, or provide certifications. At least you'll have to create the skill profile for now, right? And then only it will be matched for you, and you will receive the opportunities. Otherwise, so let's say, for example, a Python opportunity is published and you don't have Python in your skill profile, you won't see it. While your friend might see it because they have created Python as a skill, one of the skill in their profile. Yeah, so this is very important. This platform does not work with the traditional way of everybody is publishing, everybody can apply. That's not how it works. This works only, you don't see any fake opportunities. Only valid organizations publish. And before even publish, they have a commitment of, if there is any payment, the payment will be made online. When you are completing the internship, if it is a paid internship opportunity, in the amount or the Liber points automatically paid to your personal wallet, and from your personal wallet you can get paid in your bank account. Yeah, so that's how the platform is designed. So there is no fake opportunities. There is no everybody can apply for everything, and only skill validated opportunities are matched. So it's a really a modern platform which is designed with the purpose of the future. Because what is happening in the industry right now is that the old way of looking at talent, looking through the CV, and then conducting many interviews, assessments while hiring. So these are all changing in the industry. Now everybody is looking to assess the candidate ahead of time, and they are looking at objective skill scores and something like a work-worthiness index to hire candidates, right? So if you have certificates or scores from elsewhere, all that can be aggregated in this platform. Yeah. So if you have any questions, I know this is not easy to understand straight away. I encourage you guys to go to this website, and we have quite a bit of information available in this website, gigwork.liberwin.com, and there is quite a bit of information is available. You can read. Yeah. For example, particularly for internships and how the skill validation is happening, what are the scores, all this information is available. And there is also a student section. You can go to the student section and see a lot of specific information is available for students. Yeah, so this should give enough information for you. But if you have further questions or any trouble with doing something within the platform, please write to us. You can write to support at liberwin.com.
On behalf of the founders and Liberwin, I would like to thank all of you who have taken time out on a Saturday. And I also want to thank Dr. Abhay Kumar, Mr. Rajesh, and other faculty members and the students for making it happen. And we are very happy that we kicked off this important event. It is an important event for us to kick off with our alma mater. And we would request all of you to spread the word, talk to your friends, and you have the details, and share the link with them. Ask them to experience the platform, create a profile for all yourself, and start updating your skill sets. The opportunity side is getting uploaded into the platform progressively, and you will start seeing those opportunities popping up to match your requirements in terms of the skill set you have. And enjoy the opportunities of internship projects and even some paid work in our platform in the weeks to come. So thank you very much, and good luck with your studies, and stay in touch. More importantly, all our digital handles are very active. So reach out to us if you have any thoughts, feedback, and suggestions. We are a young startup, and we would like to grow with users and customers like you. Thank you.